Welcome to Smart Stock Watch. Today, we're diving into the latest financial results of Veeva Systems, a leader in cloud solutions for the life sciences industry. We'll explore their fiscal Q2 2025 earnings, highlighting their impressive revenue growth, strategic product advancements, and future opportunities. Stay tuned as we break down the key points and what they mean for investors like you. Curious to know more details on key takeaways and insights? Watch this video to find out. Executive Summary.
Veeva Systems reported strong fiscal Q2 2025 results with total revenues of $676.2 million, a 15% increase year over year. Subscription services revenues grew by 19% to $561.3 million. The company achieved significant operating income growth, with GAAP operating income up 60% and non-GAAP operating income up 32%. Net income also saw a substantial increase, with GAAP net income up 53% and non-GAAP net income up 35%. Veeva's strategic product advancements and customer success have positioned the company well for future growth opportunities.
Financial performance. What was the total revenue for the current quarter, and how does it compare with the previous quarter and the same period last year?
The total revenue for the current quarter was $676.2 million, up from $590.2 million in the same period last year, representing a 15% increase year over year.
What were the GAAP and non-GAAP earnings per share (EPS), and how do they compare with the previous quarter and the same period last year?
For the second quarter, GAAP fully diluted net income per share was $1.04 compared to 68 cents 1 year ago. Non-GAAP fully diluted net income per share was $1.62 compared to $1.21 1 year ago.
Segment performance. How did the major business segments perform in terms of revenue and growth compared to the previous periods?
Subscription services revenues were $561.3 million, up from $470.6 million 1 year ago, an increase of 19% year over year. Professional services and other revenues were $114.9 million compared to $119.6 million 1 year ago, a slight decrease.
Operational efficiency. What were the GAAP and non-GAAP gross margins for the current quarter, and how do they compare with previous periods?
GAAP gross margin on total revenues was 74.8% compared to 71.4% in the same period last year. Non-GAAP gross margin on total revenues was 77.2% compared to 74.3% in the same period last year.
What were the GAAP and non-GAAP operating expenses for the current quarter, and how do they compare with previous periods?
GAAP operating expenses for the current quarter were $339.3 million compared to $317.2 million in the same period last year. Non-GAAP operating expenses for the current quarter were $242.1 million compared to $226.6 million in the same period last year.
Cash flow and financial health. What are the key points of the balance sheets?
Total assets were $6,330.8 million as of July 31, 2024, compared to $5,910.9 million as of January 31, 2024. Total liabilities were $1,146.1 million as of July 31, 2024, compared to $1,266.1 million as of January 31, 2024. Total stockholders' equity was $5,184.7 million as of July 31, 2024, compared to $4,640.8 million as of January 31, 2024.
What were the key points regarding cash flow from operating, investing, and financing activities?
Cash flow from operating activities. Net cash provided by operating activities was $856.4 million for the 6 months ended July 31, 2024. Cash flow from investing activities. Net cash used in investing activities was $386.2 million for the 6 months ended July 31st, 2024. Cash flow from financing activities. Net cash used in financing activities was $7.7 million for the 6 months ended July 31st, 2024.
Strategic initiatives and partnerships. What were the major strategic initiatives, product launches, and partnerships announced in the current quarter?
Vault CRM Suite expanded with the release of Vault CRM Service Center. New release of Veeva Site Connect added significant capabilities to streamline clinical trials. Veeva Clinical Database, CDB, was selected by 7 top 20 biopharmas. A top 20 biopharma standardized on the full Vault RIM suite for regulatory and Vault CTMS for clinical.
Risk and challenges. What are the key risks and challenges highlighted in the report or discussed by the management?
Performance, availability, security or privacy of products, competitive factors and customer decisions, macroeconomic and geopolitical events, ability to hire, retain, and adequately compensate talented employees.
Future outlook. What is the company's revenue and gross margin guidance for the next quarter or fiscal year?
Revenue guidance for the fiscal third quarter ending October 31st, 2024, $682 to $685 million. Revenue guidance for the fiscal year ending January 31st, 2025, $2,704 to $2,710 million.
What are the expected operating expenses and other relevant financial projections for the next period?
Non-GAAP operating income for the fiscal third quarter ending October 31st, 2024, $273 to $275 million. Non-GAAP fully diluted net income per share for the fiscal third quarter ending October 31st, 2024, $1.57 to $1.58. Non-GAAP operating income for the fiscal year ending January 31st, 2025, about $180 million. Non-GAAP fully diluted net income per share for the fiscal year ending January 31st, 2025, approximately $6.22.
Overall performance and investment prospects. Based on the financial results and strategic updates, what is the assessment of the company's overall performance?
Veeva Systems demonstrated strong financial performance with significant revenue growth and profit surge. The company's strategic product advancements and customer success have positioned it well for future opportunities. The positive financial outlook and continued innovation in their product offerings suggest a promising future for Veeva.
That's all for today's analysis of Veeva Systems' impressive Q2 2025 earnings and growth prospects. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch for more in-depth financial insights. Let us know in the comments if you think Veeva is a good investment right now. Thanks for watching. Boost your trading game with Interactive Brokers, a leading platform known for its advanced tools and low commissions. I've personally benefited from their fast execution and comprehensive market access. Click the referral link in the video description below to sign up and support this channel. Start trading smarter today with IBKR. Thanks for watching and happy investing.